Oh, hi there. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make the Gimlet. Wait. Oh, there we go. Much better. This 3-ingredient cocktail is composed of gin, lime juice, and sugar, which is basically a gin-based daiquiri. The Gimlet itself dates back to the 19th century when the British sailors were provided limes to combat scurvy. The ship's provisioner named Lachlan Rose created a way to fortify limes with sugar, and the cocktail is basically a 50-50 blend of Rose's lime juice and gin to create the Gimlet. Anyways, let's make this drink and see what the fuss is all about. And for this drink, you'll need gin, and in this case, I'm using a bottle of Citadel gin that I recently picked up. You're also gonna need some simple syrup, as well as some fresh squeezed lime juice. The tools you need for this drink are a hand juice squeezer, a shaker set, as well as a strainer. Everything in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, is linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials that you might need. Starting with the shaker, you'll add 2 ounces of gin, next, I add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and make sure to slice a lime wheel to garnish at the end. Lastly, you'll need 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now that all the ingredients are in the shaker, add ice to it and shake till it's well chilled. In this case, it's about 10 to 15 seconds, and when you see the shaker set frost up, you know you're done. And lastly, strain everything into the coupe glass. And garnish the rim with that lime wheel you saved from earlier. And there you have it, the Gimlet. Cheers. Delicious. This is such a simple and enjoyable drink. And since the origins of this drink call for a 50-50 split of Rose's lime juice and gin, this is basically the ingredient equivalent to that mixture. Since there really isn't any right or wrong way to make this drink, it's really down to preference, so I encourage you to play with the ratios. Maybe do a ½ ounce of lime juice, simple syrup, or more. Either way, this is how I make it, this is how I like it. And let me know in the comments what you think of this drink. Do you like it? Are you gonna make it again? Also, if you enjoy this video, and more importantly, enjoy making delicious cocktails, hit that subscribe button as I make new videos each week. This channel is giving me the opportunity to do something I'm passionate about, so I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you've learned something new, and definitely come back for the next video. Until next time, cheers.